how to join a class on Google Classroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to join a class on Google Classroom in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Classroom app and then you'll see a plus sign on the bottom right. Tap on it. There you'll find join class. Now, if you have a class code, enter it here. This code is usually provided by your teacher. So once you've entered it, you just have to click join. That is on the top right, and then that's it. Otherwise, you can even receive an invitation on your email, and you'll get a link on your email that you just have to tap, and then you'll be automatically joined in the classroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.